Well, here are the latest coronavirus numbers just into us now from the City-County Health District. The county reporting 308 new positive tests for today, and that brings the total numbers since March up to more than 15,700. 6 new COVID-related deaths reported today, and of those patients, 4 were men, 2 were women, ranging in age from 50 to 70, and it brings the death toll in the county up to 249. And the number of people hospitalized right now is at 275, with 114 of them in the ICU. A good number here, more than 7,500 people have recovered. They now test negative. These numbers are updated daily on our website as they come into us, so feel free to check that out for yourself, KIIITV.com. Quickly taking a look at the latest numbers from across the state, nearly 10,000 new coronavirus cases confirmed in Texas today. It brings the state's total to more than 516,000. The death toll now more than 9,000. And back here, the Health District today also giving an update on parts of the city and county with the highest number of COVID deaths by zip code. Health Director Annette Rodriguez telling council members today that for the month of July, folks who live in the 78415 zip code came in at the top of that list with 21 fatalities. That area covers parts of central Corpus Christi between Ayers and Weber Road and expanding all the way to Chapman Ranch. The second highest zip code with positive cases is 78405. That covers parts of the city's west side around the Del Mar West campus. There were 16 deaths from that area. And city council members also heard just how many kids 18 years and under have tested positive for COVID. That number, as of this morning, was just over 1,500 in Nueces County.
And the reason we're looking at this number, we're looking at it as a baseline number because school is about to start. School has started in some places, and face-to-face school will be starting soon.
And she says it's a category that the health department will continue to keep track of. Now, as we've reported, several area school districts are getting ready to start up classes, online learning, of course, at first. But the first day of remote learning for students in the CCISD is coming up this Thursday. And members of the local COVID task force delivered another news briefing just a short time ago at City Hall. They've gone from daily briefings down to twice-a-week updates, and a few highlights from today. City Manager Peter Zanoni explaining the state data collection process, which artificially increased our city numbers recently. He said they are working with the state now to try to figure out a better way to report the numbers accurately. Today's update included graphs that showed the current ICU and hospitalization trends decreasing. We just had that on the screen, and that is certainly a good thing. County Judge Barbara Canales said she believes with everyone cooperating under the safety guidelines, the community is bending the curve.
Our ability to handle this crisis exceeded our available resources. And that's not anything to be ashamed about. Nobody could have possibly had enough resources to see what was coming in the month of June, late June and July.
From today's briefing, now Canales says they are continuing to use data to request more help from the state and move forward with decisions, including the recent Port Aransas beach vehicle concerns.